Hello little chess champs. Today we are learning how the bishop capture pieces on the board. When the bishop moves to a square with an opponent piece, it takes the piece off the board. Let's dive in. Watch the bishop capture. The white bishop glides along its diagonal path to capture. So what are all it can capture? The black rook on b1 it can able to capture. So knight on c4 able to capture, and pawn on e2 able to capture. But it can't capture the knight on b5, or it rook h7. Why? Bishop moves only on diagonal and can't jump over any piece, not even their own. Now, one tricky situation is there. If white bishop can capture the black pawn on e2, but the black pawn on f3 is protecting e2. If the bishop capture e2, the black pawn will strike back. So if it capture, and again pawn will capture the bishop. So trading a strong bishop for a weak pawn might not be the best move. Always think ahead. Now in this position, black capture the knight on c4. So the bishop moves to c4 and take the knight place. The black knight is removed from the board. Always remember, capturing is exciting, but check if your piece will be in danger after the move. Now see this example, how the bishop stopped the pawns. The white dark square bishop is a hero. It's blocking all 6 black pawns on its diagonal. If black moves any of them, then bishop can capture them one by one in next 6 moves. The fun fact is, bishop might not be strong as rook, but it is super clever on its diagonal. If the pawn is moving here, then it can capture. Then the pawn is moving here, it can capture on second move. If it comes here, third move, fourth move. If it comes here, fifth move, and if it comes here, sixth move. So these pawns are stuck on light square and can't escape from the bishop control. How the pawn outsmart a bishop? Sometimes a tiny pawn can outsmart a mighty bishop. The black pawn on h7 has a clear path to the queening square. White bishop is blocked by its own pawn and can't stop it. So it can't, if it is going here, then again it is blocking. If it is going here, that is blocking. This bishop is coming here, it is blocking. So even a little pawn can become queen if no one stops. Never underestimate the power of clear path. So it comes here, then it can reach to become a queen. So bishop is powerful on diagonals, but it needs space to move freely. Always check the board carefully before capturing, every move matters. Happy learning, little chess champs.